In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily set default size for any printer in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to navigate at the bottom search bar here and type for settings. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match would appear in this kind of window. And once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on the open option to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. Now here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option, and please locate with the option called Bluetooth and devices. And here you need to navigate with the printers and scanners. So here in the printers and scanners, you need to select the printer that you would like to set the default size with. Okay, just tap on it. And from here, you can see their printer properties and printing preferences. So click on it. And you would be able to see this kind of window. All you need to do is you need to navigate either of the main or the more options. So here at the main, you can see their document size or paper size. Click on this down arrow key. And from here, you can select any of the paper size that you would like to set as your default width. If you would like to go with A4, then select on this one, and it would be set as your default the moment you click on OK. And if you would like to go with the 10 by 15 or any of the size here, just select any of the size here, okay, that you would like to set as your paper size with and click on OK. And that way you would be able to set a default paper size in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. You can also select or set it into the more options, go with more options, and in here the document size, you can select any of the paper size. You can go with legal 5 by 8 inch, or you can also create your own size here to make it as your default. Okay, click on OK, and there you have that. You would be able to set a default paper size in any printer in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.